So we'll show you exactly how to use the 3D shapes in Paint 3D. So we have our 2D shapes here. So simply go to 3D shapes, click on it. So we have variety of tools to use here. We can use our 3D doodles, we can use our 3D objects here, and then 3D models. So these are ways to add your 3D shapes in Paint 3D. So as an example, I'm going to use this 3D object here. So click on the sphere here, drag it, and then on your canvas. So you can change the color by going to edit color and then change it to yellow or any color that you want. So we can also add stickers to this. So we can go to stickers here and then find our stickers that we want to apply to it. So we can choose this sticker here, the eye sticker here, click on it, then drag it, pull it here. Now we can clone this, so clone this and then move it to this other side and then click the check mark to finalize it. So we can also add our happy smile here and then we'll drag on it. Then we can expand it. Then we can also click the check mark to. So this is how to add the 3D shapes. So there are other ways of adding a 3D shapes. So yes, you can also simply click on this and then you can move it in a perspective. You can rotate it to the other side. You can rotate it like this. So yes, the 3D shape can yes. So let's go to our 3D shapes here. So you can also add, let's delete this emoji that I just created. We can also add a 3D model here. For example, we have a man here. We can click on it, then open the 3D library. The 3D library gives us a variety of models to choose from. So we have our animals models. We have our latest 3D collections. We have our other models that we can choose from. So we can use these 3D models to do a whole lot of stuffs. So we can maybe do a simple happy birthday thing. So we can use this celebration. And just so you know, this one uses the internet connection to do it. So if you don't have an internet connection, you will not be able to access this 3D collections here. So we can do simple congratulation things. So we can click on this group of balloons here and then we'll add it to create maybe a happy birthday for our friend or someone we want to wish. So yes, this you can do this and then you can also simply add a text to it. So we can go to our text here, then we type, so for example, congratulations. So you can decrease the size here, or yeah, you can increase the size here like this. Then we can increase the size. Yeah, so you can also change the color of this to, I like to change it to drag and then drag select this and then to what, yeah. All right, so now we can also select this move it here to the top like this. Okay, so yes, so we can do a whole lot of stuff with this. So we can also add maybe 3D. So you can open our library here and then add another fireworks to it, just to fill the negative or white spaces in the canvas, on the canvas. So you can do a whole lot of stuff with this. You can rotate it with this and you can also rotate it like this. So we have, then we can Control C, Control V, and then we'll bring it to the other side here. This one moved here, so we can move, this can move this one here. Let's select this, move this one here, then rotate text like this. Yeah, so this is how to use the 3D shapes. I'll make an in-depth tutorial on how to use it to create a whole scene. So this is just an overview of how to use the 3D shapes. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to know more about Blender, Paint 3D and other softwares, kindly subscribe to this channel. Peace out. At Supremo.